Good morning, students. So we're gonna go for Unit 2, Lesson 1. So this is Unit 2, Lesson 1 of SAT solving session. Now, x over 7 is equal to 9. Now, some students still don't know the cross multiplication method, so I'm just gonna write it as CM, cross multiplication. Now, what is cross multiplication? X over 7 is equals to 9 over 1. So I'm gonna have to multiply x with 1 and 9 with 7. Now, some people call it the butterfly method because they're gonna be drawing a butterfly. So as you can see, like the butterfly is here. So once we have done this, so x into 1 is equals to 7 into 9. X is equals to 7 times 9. So what do we get? We get 63. So we're going to be plugging in 63 over here. Going on to the next question. So number 2. Now this is going to be the equation lesson. So we have an equation. How do we know we have an equation? From the equality over here. So we have an equals. So let's consider this as a border. So we have a border here. Anything that wants to move from the left-hand side to the right-hand side is going to be multiplied with a -1. So if I want to move -1 to the left, it's going to have to pass through the border. So I'm going to have to multiply it. 2 plus -1, which is this one. Let me change colors. So this one over here is the -1 that I am multiplying. So -1, and this is the -1 that I have, is equals to p. So 2 plus 1 is equals to p, so p is equals to 3. Now same thing over here. Pause this video and try solving it by yourselves. This is -25 plus k is equals to 21. Now again, try to imagine there's a border over here. Anything that wants to cross the border, it's going to have to be multiplied with -1. So I'm going to be moving. Now, usually I need to keep the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. So I'm going to keep the variables on the left-hand side, and I'm going to put the numbers on the right-hand side. So 25, k stays the same. So 21 stays the same because I didn't move it. Now plus -25, and then I have -1 over here. So k is equals to 21, minus times minus, plus 25. K is equals to 46. So k is equals to 46. Now let's go for the last one, number 4. 12 is equals to n minus 9. So n minus 9, what do I get? Again, with the border over here. Now choose which side you want to keep. The variables now are on the right-hand side, and the numbers are on the left-hand side. So I want to move -9 to the left. I want to move -9 to the left-hand side. So it's crossed. So 12 plus -9. And then I've got the -1 over here, which is equals to n. So 12 plus 9 is equals to n is equals 9, 10, 11, 21. Thank you for watching.